Hello, good morning, everybody. Hello. I am doing a bunch of work today, so come on. Right there. That's fine. It's crooked. It's okay. But I'm doing a bunch of work today, so I'm trying to get that done because I have to go to a dentist appointment and then I think stream. I do know I need to go to the mall at some point. I need to exchange something, but I don't know when that's gonna happen. But yeah, I'm just gonna get some work done and stream. Okay, so I finished work. I made and served breakfast, so now I'm just gonna clean up and then head to my appointment. I think I still have to like get my face on, but I don't know if I'm going to. Anyway, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen and then head to the appointment. Okay, I'm home and I'm done. I was gonna show you this. My tooth looks great. Look at it. Looks amazing. Also, the dentist did such a good job. Like, oh my god, he is wonderful, amazing. I love him so much. Basically, a few years ago, I got my teeth done and it was a horrible, horrible job. It was so bad. And he has fixed all those teeth that we dealt with, minus a couple that we might have to fix. He did a couple things for free, which was so nice, and we're gonna see if that sticks or might actually need to go in and redo those too. I'm just so frustrated because I spent so much anxiety-filled days getting my teeth done only to have to get them redone. And I do trust this dentist. Like, he's very, very good. I'm getting a mouth guard soon, but I just got some stuff done and it's feeling really, really good. And now I can finally start using this, which is my Sonic hair. I've been able to use it for a hot minute and I miss it so much. I miss you so much. I love it so, so, so much. It also comes with a traveling case, which is wonderful. But I've had to use a manual toothbrush and the difference is a lot. Like, I know it's a huge difference. Also, I'm excited to floss because I wasn't able to floss near my tooth. So I'm excited to start flossing again. But yeah, it was a very, very wonderful visit. He's amazing. I'm very glad I found a dentist that I can trust who is good. Also, to speak on my health journey a little, I've always had super, super, super bad dentist anxiety, and I used to have to get medicated to get dental stuff done. But now that I'm healthier, I've noticed my anxiety is pretty much gone. Who would have thunk it? And I was able to go in there without any medication, feeling really good. Like, I was in control, I was fine, and that honestly has been such a weight off my shoulders because I've avoided going to the dentist for so long because of this anxiety I have. And to know that I no longer have that is just like, oh, I can't even express how amazing I feel because of that. Like, I just finally feel like an adult. I finally feel like the person I thought I would be at this age. Like, I'm not there yet, but the fact that my anxiety is not controlling my every moment is so massive and something I don't think I've really sat down and thought about, because it used to be a constant. And now that I'm thinking about it, like, I don't know the last time I had anxiety. Like, I can't really think about it, and that just blows my mind. Like, what? I was under constant stress, under constant anxiety, and now I don't have that? What does that even mean? Like, what? Who am I? Anyway, I am going to, I don't know what I'm going to do the rest of my day, but probably just relax because I did something big today. Actually, you know what? I'm feeling pretty healthy, so I don't feel like I need to relax because I feel like in the past it would have been like such a big thing. I did it, it's over. I can do one thing a day, one thing only. But now that I'm beginning to get my health back, I can do more things with my day, so who knows? I might do more. do. That was so bad. I think if I do anything else, it's going to just be like puttering around the house, or I don't know, I still need to decorate. I don't think I'm going to decorate today. I feel like I want to maybe find my decorations. I don't know. If you don't see me, I'll see you tomorrow.